Hello, hello pretty makers! We're going to do another Dollar Tree DIY collection today. I love making collections. I'm going to use some techniques I've used before that are not only super easy, but never fail to make an amazing high-end finish. Some of the DIYs are so quick and easy, they can be done in literally minutes. And best of all, I'll show you how you can use them in different ways. And one very, very special way that I'm really excited about, and you have to see it. I just hope I can wait. So make sure you keep watching so you don't miss all the details. This is going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to show you. So if you're ready, let's go make something pretty. This Dollar Tree DIY is a Mirror Mosaic Decor piece. I've used this technique before a few times and it always comes out amazing. I'll leave links here to the other tutorials so you can check them out later. Can you believe this only costs $3 to make? All you need is a Dollar Tree MDF tabletop sign. You can use any of the options. I chose the Hugs and Kisses. You'll also need a Dollar Tree mirror sticker. I like the llama because it has the most surface area. And last, one roll of ribbon. Now, I did not paint the sign just to make it easier, but if you want, you certainly can. Just keep in mind, gluing to a painted surface can be tricky. Remove the plastic from the surface of the mirror, then simply start to break off small pieces. It should break pretty easily, but you are working with plastic, so be careful. Keep breaking off small pieces around fingertip size and place them on the surface of the sign. Don't worry too much about the placement. You'll find that the pieces start to fit together easily, and you want some randomness anyway. I didn't use any additional glue because this sticker adheres pretty well without it. But if you want, you can use some tacky glue for extra security. You can see how I did that in my tabletop ornament tutorial, if you want to check that out a little later. Keep breaking and placing pieces until the entire surface is covered. You should only need about 3/4 of the mirror sticker. I just love this technique. It never fails to produce a high-end look. I use this Dollar Tree glitter ribbon to cover the edges of the sign. You could also use diamond wrap or any narrow ribbon from Dollar Tree. They all work just as well. You do need some touches of glue for this because the sticker is not that strong on this ribbon. Use a paintbrush or straw to help you get it in some of the tighter corners. Yep, that's it. I think this took me all of about 30 minutes to complete. But I don't think anyone will know, and they certainly won't know you use Dollar Tree supplies. Next is a collection of DIYs that can be used in multiple ways. They are all extremely easy, inexpensive, but look high-end and expensive. I'll show you a special way to use them in a minute as well, so keep watching. The core for all the pieces is one package of the Dollar Tree plastic heart container and Rustoleum silver and gold metallic paint. For all the designs, you'll need the following: 2.5 containers spray painted gold on the inside, half a container spray painted gold on the outside, and 2 full containers spray painted silver inside and out. This DIY is a mirror mosaic. You know I love this technique, so why not make a mini heart? All you need is the mirror sticker from Dollar Tree. You'll only need about 1/4 of the sticker to cover half of the heart. Using one of the silver heart containers, Break off little pieces of mirror sticker and put it on the surface of the container. The pieces need to be a little bit smaller for this because of the curved surface. That's really all there is to it. I'm serious, this technique never fails. It works every time. This took less than 10 minutes to complete. This piece will be a pretty addition to a tiered tray or part of a bowl arrangement. It'll also look great on your Christmas tree come next year. But keep watching to see it used in another special way. This DIY is a Valentine version of the tabletop Christmas decor from my previous tutorial. You'll need half a heart container that has the gold on the inside and the angel wing ornament left over from Christmas. I spray painted the back or curved side of the angel wings gold metallic. Then I simply glued the heart to the wings. To make this multi-purpose, I added a jewelry connector to the back, just like the Christmas versions. I added a totally dazzled brooch to the front for that perfect finishing touch. And you're done. Again, quick and easy. Now you can use it with the stands from the Christmas versions, or add it to a wreath, and like all the pieces, it'll look great on your Christmas tree next year. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I've been eyeing these unicorn toys for a while. I love the wings. Slowly and carefully, I removed the wings using a blade. Carefully cut it little by little on all sides, then twist it off. Repeat for the other wing. Spray paint both sides of the wings gold metallic. Using half of one of the heart containers, simply glue the wings to the inside of the heart on either side. Use lots of glue to secure it in place. To take it up a notch, I added a hot glue embellishment to the top and used some diamond wrap down the front and as a hanger. I think this one is super cool and very expensive looking. Just another quick and easy accent. This Dollar Tree DIY might be one of my favorites. Well, they're all my favorites. But this one reminds me of the old-fashioned ornaments we made as kids using pins and sequins. This one took less than 10 minutes to complete as well. Trace the heart container on a spare piece of Dollar Tree foam board and cut it out. Paint a thick border of black all the way around the foam board. Also paint the rim of the foam board black. Once dry, glue half a heart container to the foam board. Now take the Dollar Tree black push pins and insert them into the rim of the foam board. You can add a dab of glue to the pins if you want, but they stay pretty well on their own. Outline the whole rim of the heart with the pins. I also painted the back of the foam board for a finished look. You can add any embellishments you like. To keep it simple, I added a rose sticker from this Dollar Tree package. I buy a lot of stickers at Dollar Tree, but don't use them often, so I'm glad I got to use a bunch in these tutorials. You'll see more later. It really looks very expensive. Just like the others, you can use it as an ornament or accent. But I like to add this one to the top or side of a gift box. It adds a handmade touch to your gift giving. This DIY is the fastest yet, but is very rich and expensive looking. If you follow me, you know I use hot glue molds a lot. I spray painted one of the large swirls gold, then glued it to the front of the container. Add some Dollar Tree beaded necklace as a hanger, and boom, you're done. Keep watching for this one to be used in a special way in just a minute. As you can see, I'm all about using or reusing the things I make. This DIY will do double duty. I made this candle pin in my Embellishments for Pennies tutorial. They make great gifts. Here's a great way to package it as a gift. To make the container hold the candle pin, take half a heart container and glue some red Dollar Tree necklace beads around the rim. Be careful not to cover the edge so it can close. I got these beads last summer around the 4th of July. I added a big dollop of hot glue to the inside center of the heart. This will allow me to push the candle pin into the glue and hold it in place. How pretty is that? It's two gifts in one. The candle pin can be removed and used on its own, or you can use it together as an elegant ornament. I can't wait to make a bunch of these to give to all of my girlfriends. This Dollar Tree DIY looks like a very special antique keepsake, but it's so easy you won't believe it. I found these stickers at Dollar Tree and I knew I wanted to use them in a special way. I just added one of the stickers to the center of a silver heart container. You'll need to add a touch of glue to get it to stick just because it's a curved surface. I also added some pearls around the edge to give it a pretty finishing touch. Keep watching to see this one used in a special way in just a minute. Here's another Dollar Tree DIY that's going to not only be easy, but will make it even better so we can use it in multiple ways. To start, I used a Dollar Tree wood heart. I used it raw, which I'll show you why in a minute, but you can stain it if you want. Painting it can be tricky, so keep that in mind. I found these flower stickers at Dollar Tree and thought they were so pretty. All I did was add them to the front of the heart. I overlapped them a little so you don't lose the heart shape. To emphasize the heart even more, I added some Dollar Tree necklace silver beads to the edge that I washed with a little white pearl paint to give them that antique feel. Now, to take it up a notch, I added some of the Dollar Tree bling stickers to the flower centers, and last, a piece of ribbon to the top as a hanger. This piece is so pretty, I wanted to be able to display it beyond just Valentine's Day. This part is optional, but I think you'll really like it. Using this Dollar Tree frame, I transformed it to display the heart. I used a Dollar Tree silver glitter vinyl paper as a mat. Yes, this stuff is vinyl and it sticks. Because the heart didn't quite fit in the frame, I glued 2 Jenga blocks to the mat. Then I used some Velcro dots, also from Dollar Tree, to attach it, but still make it removable so it could be used as an ornament. Another really pretty gift idea that serves 2 purposes. These containers came out so pretty. They look very boutique and expensive, but the best part is you can use them as gift boxes. Add a gift inside the containers, maybe a necklace, a pair of earrings, a candle pin, and not only are you giving the gift, but also the container as a handmade keepsake that looks like it came from a high-end boutique. It's like getting two gifts at once, and it keeps on giving every Christmas. Honestly, I think the containers will steal the show. I hope you saw something today that inspired you. If you did, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me some comments. I thank you for watching and keep making pretty things.